We had a couple comments on the two trailers we're building, and somebody was curious about the difference in the hitches and why we did what we did. This is our son's. He's on more of a budget build. He did your traditional leaf axles. So he did two 5,200 pound axles with 3,500 pound leaves, but that gave him the bigger brake drums and larger axle tubes for strength. Anyways, he went with this simple collar sleeve hitch. Excellent hitch, rated to 7,000 pounds. We really like these because they're just very simple to know when it's locked and when it's not. The locking pin comes from the top angle and pins, very easy to use. We had to do something different because of the axles we chose. So we chose to go with Timbren independent suspension axles. These are dual 3,500 pound axles with the 4-inch lift so that we could accommodate bigger tires. What we've noticed when we were doing some articulation tests and things like that, the rear axle really loads up on the tongue to the point that the front axle just picks up off the ground. So we made a longer saddle. Timbren diagrams out how they want a saddle made. We just went with a one-piece saddle, tried to reinforce it top and bottom, and we're also going to put the through tubes in to connect the axles. It's a 2x3 rec tube that's 1/4 inch thick. So that should help support the lack of articulation, but we'll see. So this hitch, again, because we have a different bit of articulation forward to aft than a traditional spring pack, we went with this hitch off of E-trailer. It's rated to 5,000 pounds, but what we liked is the ball can articulate every which way, and we're hoping that that'll take some of the stress off the tongue of the trailer.